Yo, what's up, everyone? Appreciate you guys coming back to the channel, checking out another video. I might have just cleaned some shoes last time or whatever. I don't even know. You know what I'm saying? But look, I appreciate you guys coming back and checking me out. So look, today I got some retros. Yes, sir. We all love retros, you know what I'm saying? So I got some retros they released 2009. Back in the day, I used to wear these joints everywhere. So without further ado, I ain't even gonna talk too much. Let's get the kicks. Bang! Talk to me, talk to me, talk to me, baby. Yeah. Alright, so look. Release December 19th, 2009. I done had these shoes everywhere. I done wore them for a decade. I probably wore them for a year or two. And they all got all messed up. Got them, they back falling apart. Carbon fiber showing and everything. The rubber bottom, the lower sole, whatever they want to call this lower sole is all bad. So I'm putting it back together. Fix it, make it look like it's never happened. So rock with me on this journey. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, tell a friend and tell a friend and tell a friend. There's a new sheriff in town. You know what I'm saying? Hey, look. But anyways, don't stop playing. I love networking with anybody. I love networking with everybody. So throw some pointers. Hit some, talk to each other in the comments so we can all learn something from one another. You know, spread the love. So I love working on kicks. I know hella other people that love working on kicks. Let's network with each other. We don't gotta, you know. Let's get it, man. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button.
Salute bangs.
Taylor about the fucking flex.
Sorry sounds.
I got a right to live my life the way I want to live it. I mean, being rich and black means something, man. Don't you know that? Being poor and black don't mean shit. We're living in different times. When you and I were young kids, I mean, there were no heroes. We got all sorts of heroes now. But there are kids out there who look up to me.
Man, can't you see that's just teaching black kids to exploit their own kind? And that's sick.
Well, it's not sick, man. It's sick when you get a chance to get out of a rat-infested ghetto and you don't.